In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Bible in a few simple steps so you can bring Bible into your ChatGPT workspace and start using it more easily. This is a great setup if you want a faster way to access the app inside ChatGPT instead of searching for it every time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to ChatGPT and click on your profile in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you can access your account settings and manage connected apps. Once the menu opens, click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the App section and click on it. This is where ChatGPT lets you browse and connect different apps and integrations. After that, click on Add More so you can open the app directory and search for the one you want. Now, use the search bar and type in Bible. As you type, ChatGPT will filter the available apps and show matching results. When you see Bible in the list, click on it to open the app page. On the Bible app page, you'll see the Connect button. Click Connect to start linking it to your ChatGPT account. You may be asked to confirm the connection one more time, so go ahead and click Connect again if prompted. This extra confirmation helps make sure you really want to add the app. Once the app is connected, you can start a new chat. In your chat window, click the plus icon and choose More if needed. Then, select Bible from the available apps list. This tells ChatGPT that you want to use Bible inside your conversation. At this point, Bible should be connected and ready to use. You can now interact with it directly through ChatGPT and make your workflow much smoother. If you were looking for an easy way to set this up, that's really all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the videos and lets me know to make more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.